Gunsmoke helicopter adventures will replicate a military experience. We've got a themed target course set up that's gonna blow people away. First, we'll blow up the fuel storage. After that, we'll light up their comm center. Then we blow up transportation, and we're out of there.
All right, man, let's rock and roll. Here we go. Take me to their leader.
My adrenaline's pumping. Everything rides on these first few shots. As that bird started taking off, I knew the pressure was on. This gun's got to run smooth and be able to hit the targets.
All right, Rich, man, you ready to do this thing? I'm up, I'm ready to go. Lock and load, lock and load. All right, here we come, here we come. All right, Rich, smoke those barrels when you got a beat on them. Okay. I got a bogey left, bogey left. Line it up, line it up. Engaging, engaging.
Once I hit that first target, I knew we were onto something good. This thing fires like a dream.
Here are your targets on the left side. Got them? Copy that, copy that. Engaging, engaging, engaging. Woo! You see that? Oh, yeah, man. Wow! Let's rock and roll. The only way to travel. Coming around, coming around. Target number 4, here we go, lock and load. Target number 4.